Hello, what's up traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentil FS, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. So I'm sorry guys, I have been too long I posted my video due to my health issue. I'm having a small fever. So, and before I begin the tutorial, please, if you are new or you have been following me, please always like my video, support me. It will help me, it will motivate me to post more videos for you. And if you are having any difficulties in your trading, please do work and comment at the section below so that I know your problem, and I promise you I will do everything within my power to get back to you and sort everything out. So before we start, let me show you the settings and tell you how they work later. So let's open. So in this strategy I'm using now, I'm using 3 indicators and all of them are in one indicator window 1. So the first one is the RSI, envelopes and the moving average. So let me click on RSI. The RSI have period 14, the parameter period 14, apply to close, style 3 pixel, color of your background, that is what we'll be using, and this level is not necessary for now. So then you click done, then you click envelopes. The envelopes, the period is 25, shift is 0, deviation is 0.900, method is simple, apply to close, upper band the 3 pixel, I use black, but if your chart background is black, use white, so use the opposite color, you get. And the lower band is 3 pixel and I use red, so no level, click done. Then I click on my moving average, period is 44, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close, style 3 pixel and color is blue. You can use any color of your choice. Then you click done. Then how does this strategy work? So it is used for catching spike in boom and crash market. And how does it work? You can see, though I missed this trade because before I come back it has started reacting. So this topmost edge here, immediately you see this blue line reaching this side almost 90. Let me edit this RSI and put something like level 90 and 10. Yeah, correct. So immediately the line is dotted. So immediately you see this blue moving average reaching the upper band of envelope at the level of 90. Then you take a set trade. I can see how market reacted to it here. See how market reacted to it, and immediately you can use this thing to catch spike and also trade candlestick. Look at this sheet here. This blue moving average reach the red lower band of envelope, and see how it reacted. It's come and move upward, and if you are trading the candlestick, you can see how much you have made, and that is our lesson. So let's backtest this strategy and know if this thing work. So take a look at this thing. The moving average, the blue line, reach 90 level of RSI and match the upper band of envelope. I have seen the market, and you see how the market moved down massively. It moved down massively and reversed when the moving average reached the lower band of envelope and returned. You see how it curved. So this strategy is good. You can see the moving average touched this place and it curved, moving to the other side. I see how this market also reached this 90 level RSI of the upper band of envelope, and you see how the market went back. You can use it to catch spike. You see the reactions. The reactions. You can see the strategies are awesome. So let's check in boom market. Let's know if this thing work. You can see how this market reacted for catching spike and also trading the candlestick. See it here. Catching spike, trading the candlestick. Catching spike. See how this one moved so massively. The same way it moved. Look at this cross A, how it moved, reach to the top. That is here. See it here. So the strategy is awesome. So if you like this video, please do me a favor. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video please. It motivates me to post more winning videos, and also share to your family and friends. So thank you.